The people who made the Shiba Inu are once again at odds with the US government. This time, a storm is about to start. The government has put unexpected obstacles in the way of their much-anticipated top-level project. But what's the real reason for this fight? Are we about to have a Shiba revolution against the government? Things are getting very heated in the argument, and panic may be on the way soon. Come with us as we find out everything. The Shiba Inu story is about to take a turn that no one saw coming. Nota bene, a Shiba Inu developer's latest tweet has gotten a lot of attention. The tweet, which says, "Bull market first sparks," makes it sound like the creator is seeing or pointing out early signs of a bullish trend in the cryptocurrency market, especially for Shiba Inu. The phrase bull market refers to a market that is going up, while first sparks refers to early signs of this positive trend. There are several ways to understand what was said. For starters, it might show that the author is optimistic about the market, which could mean that they are seeing the start of a rising trend. This kind of positivity could come from a number of things, including more trading, good news, or technical analysis that shows the price could go up. Second, the tweet could be a sign of hope for growth in the market as a whole. The word first spark suggests that the author thinks these early signs of good things will lead to a bigger and longer-lasting trend of going up. It could be a full-on bull run. Some people think this will happen because of upcoming events or changes in the Shiba Inu environment that are expected to be good. Lastly, the author may want to make Shiba Inu buyers feel better about their money. By saying bull market first sparks, they might be trying to make investors feel better, which could lead to more interest and investment in the coin. But it's not this tweet that makes me so happy. It wasn't a normal tweet. It was a response to another tweet from Watcher Guru, a crypto news site. This tweet got the attention of the person who made Shiba Inu. Congressman Tom Emmer of the United States says he will co-lead an SEC stabilization bill to try to get rid of Chairman Gary Gensler. For people who love Shiba Inu, knowing what the head of the SEC does is very important when it comes to regulations and how they might affect the cryptocurrency market. The SEC, which stands for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, is a government agency that regulates and keeps an eye on different parts of the securities business, such as stock markets and brokerage firms. The SEC chairman is in charge of the Securities and Exchange Commission. As such, this person plays a major role in making and implementing rules that protect financial markets. The tweet in question brought the developers' attention to a statement by U.S. Congressman Tom Emmer that he would be co-leading an SEC stabilization bill with the goal of getting rid of Chairman Gary Gensler. The choices and policies of Chairman Gensler can have a big impact on how the SEC regulates cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. The market, investor confidence, and the general direction of the cryptocurrency business can all be affected by changes in leadership or regulatory initiatives. For this reason, changes in the SEC chairman's life are important to the Shiba Inu community because they could affect the rules and, in turn, the way the Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency markets work. Then you might ask why. Shiba Inu developer backs a bill to fire the present chair of the SEC. Now things start to get interesting. A few days ago, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission officially turned down Coinbase's request for clearer cryptocurrency rules and regulations. In a statement, SEC Chair Gary Gensler said that the current market laws were sufficient. The lack of clear rules on cryptocurrencies has left many people in the community scratching their heads. Some people find it funny that Gensler doesn't seem to care about the unique features of the world of cryptocurrencies. Critics say that saying that the current rules are enough for crypto markets doesn't make sense, because they say that the business needs more specific rules. Worries that buyers aren't safe enough in the crypto space were also put to rest by the rejection. Some people say this doesn't take into account the real concerns that people in the business have raised. People think Gensler doesn't understand how quickly the cryptocurrency world is changing because he doesn't agree on when new rules should be put in place. Some say that the growth of the business could be slowed down if rules aren't made clear quickly. Some people think that the refusal makes things too easy. Some people say that the world of cryptocurrencies is too complicated and needs rules that take that into account. Also, we need to understand this. In the world of cryptocurrencies, things change very quickly. Shiba Inu has gotten a lot of attention by releasing an ambitious plan full of new projects that will start in 2024. The world of cryptocurrencies is always changing, and Shiba Inu's work shows that they want to push the limits of what's possible in this area. The cryptocurrency world is very different, which makes Shiba Inu's projects very hard to understand. In contrast to traditional banking systems, cryptocurrencies work on decentralized networks that use blockchain technology to let people send money to each other. Different parts of decentralized finance, non-fungible coins, and other new technologies are being looked into by Shiba Inu and many other cryptocurrency projects. Because these projects are so complicated and sometimes try new things, it is important to make rules and laws that are in line with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. The way regulations are usually set up might not fully account for how things are changing in this area. Because of this, regulators and policymakers need to figure out how to make rules that take into account the unique features of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency regulation should find a middle ground between encouraging new ideas and keeping consumers safe. Making rules clear can help lower the risks of theft, market manipulation, and other problems that might happen. Also, making regulations clear can boost trust among investors, developers, and other interested parties, which can help the Bitcoin industry grow in a healthy way that will last. Shiba Inu's promise to show off a bunch of new projects in 2024 shows how important it is to have rules that encourage new ideas while also addressing possible risks. Since the cryptocurrency ecosystem is still changing, it's likely that ongoing talks and collaborations between industry players, regulatory bodies, and policymakers will be very important in creating a regulatory environment that fits the specific needs and issues of this growing sector. And it looks like the present head of the SEC is in the way. Also, this is interesting, a lot of people in the crypto world are angry at Gary Gensler, who is currently the head of the SEC. On Twitter, they're showing how unhappy they are by using the phrase "fear a Gensler." What does it matter? As I already said, the SEC is like a football official in the financial world. They make sure everything is fair and safe. On the other hand, Gensler isn't thought to like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or shifty dogs. People who use crypto are worried about this because clear rules and help from officials are needed for this type of money to grow. The judge doesn't seem to like the new game you're playing, and they don't seem to understand the rules. Isn't it hard to play? Getting a new SEC head who understands crypto is like getting a referee who not only knows the rules, but also likes the game. This is the reason why people want this change. Everyone can play if the rules are clear. Crypto players find Gensler's method a little hard to understand. Things might be more clear if there was a new leader. Cryptocurrencies are also like little plants that are trying to grow. A nice SC head is like water and sunshine. They both help plants grow safely. Think of the crypto game as a race around the world. If there is a judge in the US, the head of the SEC who likes the game can show the rest of the world how to play it well. Players won't trust the judge if he or she doesn't like the game either. Trust and teamwork can grow with a new leader who backs crypto. The Fire Gary Gensler hashtag is a way for people to say, we need a new referee who gets the game and supports it so it can be fair and fun. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. Click on one of the movies on the screen if you want to learn more. This video has now come to an end. If you liked the video, please click like and let us know what you thought in the comments. This really helps me understand how YouTube works. Also, please tell as many people as you can about this movie. Let people know about this news.